Okay, guys, I'm just going to do quick review, unboxing again. So I bought from Zalora. I bought the first time I bought Cath Kidston. This is the original Cath Kidston, original, yeah. And then this is from Zalora. Zalora. The expensive one. Yeah, because my sister said, why you bought from Zalora. So the thing is why I bought from Zalora, uh they they have the rules like you can return if the size doesn't match with your yeah, whatever. And then they have the 30 30 days to return, so that's quite good actually. So this is the purse that I bought the first time that I bought Cat Kingston purse. So wajib menyertakan di video unboxing. Sorry ya guys, I wear my earplug from Anemo, and I mix with the Imebubu, so I mix it. So yeah, because so noisy around here, it's very noisy. So just a quick 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 unboxing. So let's do this. There are a lot. I want to make a video like, why is it so hard? Oh, okay. Let's just I make it from here. That's why. It's already 6 p.m. I just have quick review, guys, and then I'm. There's no guilt or fear as I draw near. So just the creator of the world. There is joy and peace as I release my worship to you, O Lord. Dara, nih dia ada return slip, stiker pengambalan produk 30 days. So this is the original Cat Kidston. This is the first time I bought Cat Kidston. Cat Kidston. Best friend zippers. Navy zipper. Oh no. So this is how you. What I love about it is this is the material. Cat Kidston is a joyful British brand with prints that spark memories and products made for real life, with gifts that pass on the joy. We were born in a small shop in Notting Hill in 1993, and today we're a global life and style brand in over 40 countries worldwide. We exist to inspire the everyday optimist, finding the extraordinary in the everyday. Made in Cambodia, Zipper's best friends. Made in Cambodia, Cat Kidston, Cat Kidston. So yeah, it's Cat Kidston, London. Oh, I always love the smell, the new one. I always love the smell one. Tuga, what I really love this first because the thing that I love, this is a dog actually. This is a bulldog. small dog, little dog. This is a dog actually, and the leaves. So I love this very much. And then this is actually it's gonna be my wallet. So made in Cambodia, wipe clean only body 100% cotton PVC coating made in Cambodia. So suite first, third floor, 11 until 12, St. James Square, London, United Kingdom, and then the code London. So this is the original one, guys. They are have the pattern here, Cambodia. So yeah. So this is the first time I have Cath Kidston. So yeah, this is branded. So yeah, this one. What I love, this is a dog. I'm a dog person. Actually, I'm more a dog person rather, but I love animals actually. But I'm more a dog person. That's why I bought this purse. So that's it, guys. Just a quick unboxing video again, and then yeah, maybe later I will talk about my orthodontist. So there are some big news that I want to give to you guys. So this is the purse, purse from Cath Kidston. So thank you. Please thumbs up the video. So if the video is really help you, Cath Kidston. And then yeah, this is bye bye.